Adrian, point to where you're at. Punta donde estamos. Misión Espada. En San Antonio. Gente. Vamos a ver qué más hay. Ah. Welcome everybody to Adriancitos and Adrian Daily Vlog. We're at Tia's house and the party has not stopped yet. Hey Michael, what are you doing? Brisa, you helping too? You too, Adrian?
Yeah.
Who dropped them? Are you ready to go?
Which one?
What do you mean, which one? Are you ready to go home?
No.
Did you say bye-bye to Tia?
No, he's saying here, blah, blah, blah.
Adrian, did you say bye-bye to Tia?
No.
Are you gonna stay here?
Dale un besito, ándale.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Go back, tell Dad to bring you more.
No.
Todos venimos, papi.
No.
Hey, I love you.
Hey Adrian, what's in your mouth? You were eating ice cream? What are you holding? Angry Birds? You ready to play that at home?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's wait, okay? Hey, we're going to a secret location, not even you.
Let's go to the tower.
Well, it's part of a tower. Not even mommy nor you know where it is. But I'm gonna give you a hint. Powder. So we're heading to the location. It's off by 410 in San Antonio. This is the place where a lot of people claim
What's this?
that ghosts appeared. All right, so first thing is we're gonna put baby powder. Let's see if it works. We put powder all over the car.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna put stop and we're gonna go ahead and put neutral. It's like una lomita, so it shouldn't go forward. But we put powder and let's see if it works. Here we go, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. My foot is off the pedal. And we're moving, guys. We're being pushed. We got pushed over. And it's still on neutral. We're being pushed off the tracks. Let me get off. And do you want to get off, Carla, and go check? She's gonna go check to see if we got any footprints. So come with us. Oh, look at the foot. Look, we see this. You guys can see that? And as you can tell, that wasn't there.
Me.
Let's go.
Here.
I didn't see his hand was clean too, so nothing there. Let's go to the bag. I don't know if you can tell. There's some letters on move. I don't know if you can spell it out, but there's an M-O-V in there. It's like an E. Wait, we got more over here, guys.
Súbete. Mira, se ponen juntos.
Look.
Deditos chiquitos.
Look at that. Small little footprints. I mean handprints.
Manos.
Las manos. So yeah, it is true, guys. Look at the little manitas, and you can tell right there. You can see right there. There's like a little manita right there. Expect it. This is a very beautiful little road. Look at this. It's outside. Mira afuera, Adriancito. Mira cómo se mira afuera.
Water.
Es agua. Es un pequeño paseo por esta área. Íbamos ya de regreso y acabamos de encontrar este pequeño parque. Se llama Misión Espada. So we're here at the San Antonio Mission. We're at the Misión Espada. It's a National Historic. Adrián, did you expect to find this here? ¿Esperabas? Es una misión. Vamos a ver la pequeña historia que se encuentra aquí. Mira, aquí nos encontramos nosotros. Estamos aquí. Esta es la misión Espada, Misión San Juan, Misión San José,
¿Cómo está?
Misión Concepción
¿Cómo está?
y el Álamo.
¿Cómo estás?
Vamos a ver
¿Cómo estás?
ahí donde se nos encontramos. So, vamos a ver las ruinas en este momento. You ready to go, Adrian? Let's go check and look.
Yay!
Let's go look at this area.
Whoa.
Adrian, touch the walls. It's old. Imagínate a alguien que estaba construyendo esto hace muchos años. This you can touch.
This is the wall.
Yeah, this is the door. Vamos a salir por acá, vente.
Here?
Sí.
Going.
I don't know, it's a mystery. ¿Por dónde vamos? No sé.
Going.
What?
Look at that.
It's a basket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's continue. Do it. Do it. Yeah. Are you having fun? Hey. Come on, sit down so we can drink some water. Go. Hey, wait for me. I'm just kidding. Hey,
Okay.
are you okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Huh?
This place looks like a what?
It's like a jungle.
It's like a jungle. You want to go look, see what we find over here? Let's go. There's a. I'm right here. Give me your hand. Can you go out by yourself? Can you do it? Let's see. I'll wait for you. Just be careful. You can do it. Mommy's waiting for you up there. Hey. Was it fun? Wait for Daddy. Give me my hand. Help me. We found the old river walk. So if you want to go from here to the Alamo, you can take this trail and you get there. Okay, let's go this way.
No.
Vamos a la iglesia. ¿Quieres ir a la iglesia? Come on. Hurry up. Yeah, let's go there. Give me your hand.
Let's go there.
Give me your hand.
Let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there. Let's go. Escucha Do you hear the music? Wait, I know where it is. I know where the music is coming from. Check it out. Come here. It's over here. Come here.
Where?
It's over here. It's right over there. Do you see the speaker?
Where?
Right there. Right there. So we finished 2 things today. Now we're heading over to Rio Grande Valley. He still wants to head over to the tower, but
The tower?
we have another surprise, Adrian. So now we took another detour, and we're heading off to Choke Canyon State Park. Apparently, it's a big lake in the middle of nowhere. We're excited to go look at Choke Canyon.
No.
It's gonna be fun. Let's go look at it, okay?
No. Okay.
Not again.
But not again.
Choke Canyon State Park, Callahan Unit. We just pull up to this side of the road and we notice this sign. It says, swim at your own risk. And estamos viendo alrededor y lo único que miramos es puro mezquite. Come on, give me your hand. Come on, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Look, there's a boat. Hey Adrian, where are we?
Down here.
Adrian,
Huh?
where are we?
Here.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah. Come here.
Come here, come here.
I'll touch it.
No, we can't touch it.
I won't touch it.
No, we can't touch it.
I
It's dirty.
won't touch it.
Give me your hand.
Look at my toy.
Give me your hand. Adrian, give me your hand.
Ow.
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Come on, beat me. Come on. We're now at the last stop area, and Adriancito is here. He's playing with Angry Birds.
Like a more.
He got a red Angry Birds.
It's more Angry Birds.
Did you have fun on this
It's more.
trip?
It's 3 Angry Birds.
Yes. Did you have fun?
This is 3 Angry Birds.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So this is it for today.
The tower.
And Adrian wants to go to the tower.
Big tower.
We're gonna go ahead and head home. And thanks for watching. It was a good day, right, Adrian?
Yeah.
Vlog over.
Not gonna. Please subscribe.
We found this spot close to the river or this lake. It's like a small little jungle, just like Adrian said. It's a wildlife jungle. Stop right here. Look at that. Look at those birds.
Wow.
Wow.
So nice.
It's real nice, right, Adrian?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, what do you got in your hand? You got a bird.
This is
What was that, Adrian?
black gold.